Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to discuss magnetic effects of current. So let's start. Our first topic is what is a magnet? A magnet is an object that attracts iron, nickel, cobalt and steel. It comes in various sizes and shapes. A bar magnet is a long rectangular magnet of uniform cross section that can attract iron, nickel, cobalt and steel. Magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The ends of a freely suspended magnet, which points towards north direction, is known as north pole of magnet, and the ends of a freely suspended magnet that points towards the south is known as south pole of the magnet. Like poles of a magnet repel each other, unlike poles of a magnet attract each other. Now we will study next topic, that is uses of magnet. Magnet we all know are seen in our surroundings. Kids love to play with magnets, but in electronic devices they are widely used. So let's start. Our first application of magnet is they are widely used in radio, television, stereo speakers, refrigerator doors. Second, they are used in electric generators and electric motors. MRI. MRI also uses magnet. This technique is used to scan the inner parts of the body. Our third topic is magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines is described by drawing magnetic field is described by drawing magnetic field of lines. When a small north magnetic pole is placed in a magnetic field, it will experience a force. Suppose it is a magnet, it is a bar magnet and it has two poles, north and south. If we If we make a magnetic field around it and placed a compass in its magnetic field, what will happen? It will experience a force, that is magnetic force, and these are described by drawing magnetic field lines. Now, the path traced by north magnetic field lines under a magnetic force is called magnetic field line. The magnetic field of lines are also known as magnetic lines of force. The direction of magnetic field line gives the direction of magnetic force on north pole that is placed in the magnetic field. The magnetic field always starts from north pole and ends at south pole. Inside the magnet, the direction of magnetic field lines is from south pole of the magnet to north pole of magnet. So the magnetic field lines are closed curves. Suppose I draw a bar magnet. In this way, we draw the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. Now, moving to our next topic. These type of questions are asked in board exam. Let's start. First question is state any two properties of magnetic field lines. So your answer will be first, they starts from North Pole and ends with the South Poles. Second, you can write they do not intersect each other. Third, you can write they are closer at the poles but they are widely separated at other places. Next question, what are the two ways in which you can trace the magnetic field pattern of a bar magnet? First, by sprinkling some thin iron fillings around on a card which is on a card on which a bar magnet is placed and tap the card gently. Second, by tracing the path of a north of a pivoted compass needle which is moved around the bar magnet. Now you are given the magnetic field pattern of a magnet. How will you find out from it where the magnetic field is strongest? The magnetic field is strongest where the magnetic lines come closer to each other. State whether the following statement is true or false. The axis of Earth's imaginary magnet and the geographical axis coincide with each other. We all know that the Earth also behaves like a magnet, a large bar magnet. So, geographical axis of the Earth do not coincide with the axis of Earth's imaginary magnet. So, it is false. Why does a compass needle get deflected when brought near a bar magnet? Now, a compass needle is also a tiny pivoted magnet. So, it experiences a force when it is placed around a bar magnet. Where do the manufacturers use a magnetic strip in the refrigerator? Why is this magnetic strip used? Manufacturers use magnetic strip in the doors of the refrigerator. It is used to open or close the refrigerator door. Filling the following blanks with suitable words. Magnetic field lines leave the dash pole of a bar magnet and enter at its dash pole. So, magnetic field lines leave the north pole of a bar magnet and enter at its south pole. The Earth's magnetic field is rather like that of a dash magnet with its dash pole in the northern hemisphere. The Earth's magnetic field is rather like that of a bar magnet with its south pole in the northern hemisphere. Draw a diagram to show the magnetic field lines around the bar magnet. The diagram is given in the NCERT book. What is a magnetic field? The area surrounding the magnet in which magnetic force can be exerted, can be felt, is known as magnetic field. How can the direction of magnetic field lines at a place be determined? It can be determined by using a pivoted compass needle. Why two magnetic field lines do not intersect each other? If they will intersect each other, it means that there will be two directions of magnetic lines of force, which is not possible. When an electric current is passed through any wire, a magnetic field is produced around it. Then why an electric iron connecting cable does not attract nearby iron objects when electric current is switched on through it? Because whenever we switch on the electric uh, whenever we switch on, the electric current is passed through a wire. There is magnetic field, but the strength of magnetic field is very low. Moving to next question. Define magnetic field lines. I have already described. You will have to start the video. Now we will discuss some MCQ. A strong bar magnet is placed vertically above a horizontal wooden board. The magnetic lines of force will be only in horizontal plane around the magnet, only in vertical plane around the magnet, in horizontal as well as in vertical planes, or in all the planes around the magnet. So answer will be answer will be in all the planes around the magnet. Next question, the magnetic field lines produced by a bar magnet A part originate from south pole and end at its north pole. B originate from the north pole and end at its east pole. C originate from the north pole and end at its south pole. या D originate from the south pole and end at its west pole. So the correct answer is it or C part originate from the north pole and end at its south pole. Next question, which of the following is not attracted by a magnet? Steel, cobalt, brass or nickel? The correct answer is brass, C part. Next, the magnetic field lines A intersect at right angles to one another, B intersect at an angle of 45 degree to each other, C do not cross one another, या D cross at an angle of 60 degree to one another. The correct answer is do not cross one another, that is C part. Next, the north pole of Earth's magnet is in the A geographical south, B geographical east, C geographical west, या D geographical north. So correct answer is geographically south. 18th, the axis of Earth's magnetic field is inclined with the geographical axis at an angle of about 5 degree, 15 degree, 25 or 35. It's 15 degree. You have to copy the diagram and mark it in the direction of compass needle. So in B part, the answer will be in this direction. And in C part, it will be in this direction, and D part, it will be in this direction. Now, which is North Pole, X or Y? It's clear, X is the North Pole. 26th question. The three diagrams in the following figure shows the line of force between the poles of two magnets. Identify the poles A, B, C, D, E, F. A, C, the lines are coming out. So A will be North Pole. B is also North Pole, lines are coming out. C is South Pole, D is South Pole, is North Pole, and E is North Pole and F is South Pole. Now in the given figure shows the magnetic field between two magnets. Which magnet is strongest? So you can see magnet 2 is the strongest one. That's all for today.